He is ready. Do you guys have any questions about him?
No, she was filling us in pretty good.
We were asking her down there.
He's definitely hungry.
Oh, he just sits up here and burps and eats this whole hour.
That's hilarious.
I should keep track. Like so far, and I've been here since 11:30. He's burped 3 times. Cleaning your teeth.
There's some leaves down there if you can reach them. Are those actually horns on his head?
So they're called ossicons, and they are bone and they do grow. When they're born, they're like just little